In this video, I will show you how to clean a 4K flat screen TV. Cleaning a 4K flat screen TV requires a gentle touch to avoid damaging the sensitive display. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean your 4K TV safely. 1. Turn off the TV. Before cleaning, ensure that the TV is turned off and has cooled down to avoid any potential issues. 2. Dust the screen. Use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any loose dust or debris from the screen. This helps prevent scratching during the wet cleaning process. 3. Choose the right cleaning solution. Check your TV's manual for any specific cleaning recommendations. If no recommendations are provided, you can create a cleaning solution by mixing equal parts of distilled water and white vinegar. Alternatively, you can use a commercially available screen cleaning solution specifically designed for electronic displays. 4. Apply the cleaning solution. Dampen a soft microfiber cloth with the cleaning solution. Do not spray the solution directly onto the screen, as it may seep into the edges and cause damage. Instead, apply the solution to the cloth. 5. Wipe the screen. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion or from top to bottom. Avoid applying excessive pressure and be cautious around the edges of the screen. 6. Dry with a dry cloth. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently dry the screen. Ensure there is no residual moisture left on the screen. 7. Address stubborn stains. If there are stubborn stains, avoid using excessive force. Instead, dampen the cloth slightly and try again. If the stain persists, consult your TV's manual for specific recommendations. 8. Clean the frame and bezels. Wipe down the frame and bezels with a soft, dry cloth. If necessary, you can use a mild household cleaner on a cloth for these areas, but avoid getting any cleaning solution on the screen. 9. Keep liquids away. Never spray cleaning solution directly onto the screen, and avoid using alcohol or ammonia-based cleaners, as they can damage the screen. 10. Avoid paper towels and rough materials. Do not use paper towels or any rough materials, as they can scratch the screen. Stick to soft microfiber cloths designed for electronics. 11. Regular maintenance. Clean your TV screen regularly, especially if it is exposed to dust or fingerprints. Regular maintenance helps prevent buildup. Always refer to your TV's manual for specific cleaning instructions, as different manufacturers may have varying recommendations. Following these guidelines should help you keep your 4K flat screen TV clean without causing damage to the delicate display. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.